Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been gone for so long, but honestly I was kind of just like pooped out from plan miss and then also just not knowing really what to film. So here we are. I wanted to do an update on my weeks, kind of share how it's going, and any changes that I've made since I've last posted. The first, more obviously, is my cover. I did switch out from this one, which I did kind of grow to enjoy more. I know when I first put it on there, I didn't really know how I liked it, but I kind of grew to enjoy it, and yeah, I just wanted something more personalized, I feel, and so I made these stickers that, I got like the deco or the art from Pinterest, like things I found on Pinterest, and I figured it'd be fine because I'm just using them for my personal use. I'm not selling them or anything like that, but I did make these die cuts and I really love how they turned out. Some aren't the best, but honestly they're good for my use and I really love it. It's everything that I love, everything that makes me happy, and it's so adorable. So I have some like book themes. Of course we have to go with Twilight. I finally watched Gilmore Girls all the way through last year, so love that series. This one's probably one of my favorites, which is the little Aries in the Bratz font. And then this one, because I said so. I say that to my kids all the time. But yeah, I really enjoy it. I like the pop that it creates from the blue, and this is the back. So really cute. I was contemplating getting a cover, like a leather cover for this. I was thinking of Moterm, and then the other one I was thinking about was the Sojourner cover, which I've had my eye on for forever, honestly since I've joined the planner community, and ultimately I decided not to. I tried out after watching Plans with Jay's video on how to use a standard TN cover. I tried out carrying this in my TN, and while it worked and I liked it, I don't know, something about the hassle of having to get into here in order to update my planner was kind of, I don't know, like obviously you would have to open it, but also I wanted a place for my memory. But another part of me, like the reason I even tried it was I don't feel right leaving this at home because I don't really need my memory planner out on the go with me. But I spent so much money on this cover that I wanted to take it out with me, but ultimately I decided I enjoy this planner more, like the functionality of it, outside of a cover. So this little band works perfectly for me because the book stays closed, and I like that I can see all these cute stickers. So yeah, that's the first update. Opening it up, I did get these stickers from my daughter. She got some Care Bear stickers on Christmas, and she gave them to me, which is kind of funny because I had this already put in there before she gave me those, and I love that. It kind of just matches. I did add a little bit more, like this is another die cut I made to this page, but this, oh my goodness, I binged Fourth Wing as my first book this year. I am getting into reading again, and I just love it so much. I'm on Iron Wing right now, or Iron Flame right now. And yeah, I just added these to the page, which kind of is a good symbol because, you know, it's the start of my planner, and that's kind of how I started out my year. The only other change I made was I added this vellum in here from My Minimal Planner, which she actually had Hobonichi Weeks sizes, which I love because then you can just add things in here easily without having to resize. But I decided to use this tracker to track the different books that I start and when I end them throughout the year, which I think will be something cool to see. As for update, there's like no changes here. I use this how I use this, but here is how the first week ended up looking in my weeks. I think I already showed this one, but this was the first week, and I love this. So here is just like how my week's going or anything that comes up. Here I put my meal plan. This was something I needed for that week. Over here, I decided to track like chapters and pages that I'm reading, and I decided to do it starting with Iron Flame. I was reading Fourth Wing here, and I didn't think to do that. I did a little currently reading section and then a currently watching. We did start Game of Thrones. And then throughout the week, I have this little grocery sticker or sticky note from Mama of More Plans that I write down anytime I spend food, like money on food and groceries. And then at the end of the week, I add the total down here so that I can keep an eye on that. And then at the end of the week, I put that same sticky note in my meal plan so that I can kind of have that with my meal plan. But here is how this current week is going. I have not been reading much. I haven't had much time to, which is unfortunate, but hopefully I'm going to get a good binge in later today. We had a snow day, so we didn't have to do much this morning, and I honestly didn't even get a chance to read, which is kind of sad. But I already have next week kind of set up and prepped. I just put like a little washi tape at the bottom, which I feel like just works for me. I have so much washi, and it's nice to be able to get a good use out of it. And I'm loving this planner. I do need to draw a line here and all of that stuff, but I like tracking how much I'm reading each day, my meals, and all of that good stuff. My dailies, I kind of got off to a rough start with. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why it just like took me a minute. Like this, I don't like this. I really don't like how this ended up looking. It just gives me the ick, but I'm starting to get into it. So here's Monday. This is kind of a little more how I want to use it. And then Wednesday, which is today, is actually looking exactly how I want to use it. As you can see, I went from Monday to Wednesday because not every day am I going to need like a daily. So I'm okay with that. But Tuesday was honestly kind of a boring day. Other than Mariyea came back, and I'm so excited. Let me know if you guys watch Mariyea. Michael and I have been obsessed with that show since it started, and I heard that this is the final season, so it's unfortunate, but I'm glad to like get that closure at the end of the season. So yeah, that is how it's going. Tomorrow I'll start Thursday if I need a daily. I honestly don't think I will use up this whole section, which is going to be nice. I was scared of needing more room than that. So after this week, although I'm going to kind of go more towards this, after this week I feel like I could get a whole week on a 2-page spread if I needed to. The only other thing, I did add a couple. I'm marking off the days there so that at the end of the year, this is just all colored in for no reason whatsoever. This, I'm going to do 100 favorites of the year. Like, literally, they can be anything. So I started out with Fourth Wing being my favorite of the year. Even though there is this favorites page. That's alright. I want to see if I can get like 100 favorites of the year. And then I did add some stickers back here. I already had these that my children made, but I added this mama and then this really beautiful sticker from a Happy Planner sticker book. And then I added this little sticker book in, which I think I might change. I don't like that it's like a Christmas theme, but I got it in like a sticky subscription, but it has like a lot of my functional stickers. I do have a different one that I could add in here from Once More with Love. And I think, yeah, I think I honestly might switch over to this one. Let's see. There it goes. I think I like that one more. Let's see how it... Oh, no. No, never mind. So I use this one. I might try and like make a cover for it with scrapbook paper like I've done in the past for that little weekly supplement for the A6. I think that'll be a cute way to kind of change the look of that. And then the only other thing, I have this little sticker back here that a friend sent me that I really like. So that is my update on the weeks. It's going good. I really enjoy it. And like I said, I'm not going to get a cover for it. I enjoy just having this in my bag like this and being able to grab it out quickly. And I added this pen from last year's launch because I feel like it matches better. But yeah, that is everything from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little update on how my weeks is going. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.